Hello there guys and girls, as you can see I have here empty bottles and empty cans. Hold on, how can I make this? Oh, hold on. Hi. Welcome to my day 10 of disposing my scraps, my chunkies in my house, and convert this into money. Welcome to my day 10. Almost cleared.
Wow, yan. Hi! Lata mo. Dala namin, lata. Pagpite, malinis. Pite, malinis. Hi! Dalawa. Dalawa, pite, malinis.
So for how many kilos? All in all.
Hi! Pure.
Ilan?
Wala na ako.
Wala na. So guys, I'm done with the empty boxes now. I'm with empty cans and empty bottles, plastic bottles. So if you have scraps, you can sell it.